Welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today what I wanted to do was introduce you to a new product that we have coming on board called the Amodex Stain Remover. This one has a big reputation that it comes to us with as being the one product that will remove almost anything, like even Sharpie and permanent marker and junk like that. This actually comes in a couple of different formats. This one right here is just a 10-pack of stain wipes. So if you're familiar with like Shout wipes for getting stains out and stuff, that's similar to what this is. Pretty large size cloth that's in there, that's infused with the cleaner and stuff, and it has elaborate directions on the back for how to use it. But we also will be selling a 1-ounce fluid bottle, a 4-ounce bottle that has like a scrubber brush on the thing, and then also like a travel size one, that you can put in your art bag and take with you in case you have an accident and bad things happen, because it happens. This is kind of interesting because this one is safe for use on your skin. So non-toxic, it isn't going to burn your skin. I can attest to that when I was playing around with it. It took paint off of my hands and stuff like that, and was completely happy with how that worked because it didn't have a crazy bad smell and it didn't burn or anything like that. But this one is really interesting because not only are they talking about how this will take out almost any kind of ink, but also all kinds of different paints, but ballpoints, fountain pens, permanent marker, Sharpies and stuff like that. But it also works on food, wine, grass, blood, all that kind of stuff. So if you have, some clothes that you may have messed up with your art material, try Amodex first. They're saying that this works best before you try it with another stain treater and stuff like that. So take a look at Amodex. This is a really unique product that we just brought on, and we think you will enjoy.